Good morning, student. Today I am teaching the fixture. Fixture is very important for the competition and tournaments. What is a fixture? Fixture is a scheduled match for the any competition or any tournament. Fixtures when the pertaining to the physical education and sports refer to competition. It is basically when one school play another school in a specific sports. Importance of fixtures. Fixture is the process of arranging the team any systematic order in the various group for competition in a physical education and sports. In other words, it is the set up of various team for competitive matches where the play in a systematic order as per the fixture scheduled. After then, how's the preparing the fixtures? Method of preparing fixture in the knockout tournament. In a knockout tournament, the total number of matches come can be calculated by the subtracting one from the total number of teams. For example, if 8 teams are participating in the tournament, then the number of total matches will be formula n minus 1. 8 teams minus 1. 8 minus 1 equal to 7. It means there will be any 7 matches in the tournament. Suppose 8 teams should be divided. 8 teams should be divided into 2 halves. It is a possible if the total number of teams is a power of 2 as a 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and 64 teams, etc. A number of teams. It is very easy to draw the fixtures. In such a case, the total number of teams is divided into equal halves. And then matches are decided by draw or lots. If the total number of teams is not the power of 2, such as 3, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17 and 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. Then by are given. The teams which are given by do not play in the first round. Once again, repeat, the teams which are given by do not play in the first round. By are given in the first round because of the number of teams playing in the latter round is reduced to a power of 2. In fact, a by refer to a dummy team that does not play in the first round but participate in the second round. Example, in the 15 teams come in the tournament. How many buys will be given if 15 teams? The example of the method of preparing fixtures. The example is how many buy will be given if the 15 team are participating in a tournament. हम सॉल्व करेंगे इसको कैसे? टोटल नंबर ऑफ टीम, like that the example What is example? In a knockout tournament, the total number of matches can be calculated by subtracting 1 from the total number of teams. For example, if 15 teams are participating in the tournament, then the number of total matches will be, the formula n minus 1 equal to 15 minus 1, total 14. It means there will be only 14 matches in the tournament. Next, highest number of power of 2. Highest number power of 2. 16. So, if the total number of team is not power of 2 such, so highest number is 16. So I told 1 again, not the power of 2 such as 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, then by are given. So like that, 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 16. The highest number of power of 2. So rounds is a 4 rounds. House 2 के नीचे हम 1 लिखते हैं and once again 2, 3, 4. 2 calculate the 2, the 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 round in the tournament, and after then number of buys. House number of buys is 16, the power of 2, the highest number, and 15, the total teams, equal to 1 buy. So 1 buy will be given in the knockout tournament according to 15 teams. But next example, how many buys will be given if 19 teams are participating in a tournament? The 19 number is not the power of 2. So total team is 19. Total number of matches n minus 1. 19 minus 1 equal to 18. Next highest number, which is in power of 2, 32. So how is 32? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 32. How's the round? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rounds. 5 rounds. Buy is given. Buy कैसे देते हैं किसी टूर्नामेंट में? Equal to 32, the highest number, power of 2, and 19. 19 is the teams. So 32 minus 19 is the equal to 13 buys. 13 buys in the tournament. Or what is the round? What is round? The fixtures. I prepared the fixture in the blackboard. Teams. First round, second round, third round, fourth round, 5 round. So according to example number first, (15 teams participating in the tournament, so 4 round. According to this method. ठीक है. After then the 19 team are participating in the tournament. Show 5 rounds and 13 buys. And this example is 20 teams. If 20 teams are participating in the knockout tournament, so total team is 20. How's the round? 20 is not the power of 2. 20 is not power of 2. So 32 is the highest number. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 32. 32 number highest number from the 20 teams. 20 number. Show 5 rounds. Write down the teams according to knockout. Round 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rounds. So total matches become in this tournament matches equal to n minus 1 equal to 20 minus 1. 19 matches will play in the tournament. So 20 teams. So write down the 20 teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 teams. Write down the teams first according the fixtures and write down the rounds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ठीक? If the 10 teams according to fixtures, there are 2 halves divided into 2 halves. First half 10 teams and second half 20. 11 to 20. 10 teams. 10 teams upper half, 10 teams is a lower half. Say by the upper half and lower half. Okay. In a upper half, in 10 teams, that 5, first 5 and second 5. First half in a second half or up on upper half. Upper half. There are the first quarter and second quarters. These are first quarter and second quarter. Upon next second lower half, the first quarter, say by the third quarter and quarter 4. So prepare the fixtures and like that. After the prepare the fixtures, the second method of preparing the fixtures according to the examples 1 and 2. After that, procedure 2, once again, procedure 2 draw fixtures, knockout. Essential point for a knockout tournament. Number 1, the total number of teams, the total number of buys, the number team in each half, the number of buys to given each half, the total number of rounds, the total number of matches. These are essential points preparing the fixtures. Next point, number of matches in the knockout tournament. The number of matches in knockout tournament is first, how many become the teams in the tournament. So first with the formula n minus 1, when n denoted the number of teams. For example, if 11 teams are participating in a knockout tournament, the number of matches n minus 1 equal to n minus 1, 10 matches. Okay. According to example, the example, number of matches in a knockout tournament. For example, first example, the number of matches in the knockout tournament. So 11 teams are participating in a knockout tournament. The number of matches will be n minus 1 equal to n minus 1, 10 matches. 10 matches play in the knockout tournament if 11 teams are coming. But if the 15 team comes, sure, 14 matches in the tournament. If 21 teams are come, so 20 matches according to knockout tournament. If 26 teams are come, so 25 matches in the team. After then, number of rounds. What is the number of round in the knockout tournament? Number of round in a knockout tournament. If the number of participating team in the power of 2, in case of 16 teams, the number of round will be 2 into 2 into 2, the highest of power 2, 16. The 4 rounds, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, second 2, third 2, 4, 2. So 4 rounds. If the number of participating team is not in the power of 2, the number of round will be based on the next highest power of 2. Once again, if the number, suppose there are the 10 teams, the next highest power of 2 is 16. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 16. 1, 2, second 2, third 2, 4, 2. So 4 rounds. So how many buys in the tournament? So buys is 16. 16 is the highest of power of 2 and 10 teams. So equal to 6 buys in the tournament. Okay. If the number of participating team in the power of 2, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. Okay. So next example, if the 32 teams are team, then number of rounds. So 32 is a power of 2. Okay. If 32 teams are the participating, show how's the round. So 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 4, into 2, 8, into 2, 16, into 2, 32, equal to 32. 32 is the highest. According to 32 teams are come. So 5 rounds, 1-2, 2-2, 3-2, 4-2 and 5-2 according to the 5 rounds. Okay? But there are the no bias. Why? 32 is the highest and 32 teams. 32 minus 32, 0. So no bye in the match. If 64 team then come of the round will be tournament. So according to rules and according to fixtures, 62 is power of 2, highest power of 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 64 and 6-2, 6-2, so 6 round. There are the no bias because the 62 number is highest of power of 2. So 62, 4 and 64. No bye in the match. If 8 team are come, 3 rounds. If 4 team are come, 2 rounds. If 2 teams are come, so 1 rounds. Okay. Once again, this example are suitable. Next, वो क्या है? If the number of participating team is not in the power of 2, the number of rounds will be based on the next highest power of 2. ठीक है? तो 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11 and 13 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. This is not number of power of 2. This is not highest of power of 2. If 22 teams, so the highest number is 32 according to power of 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, the 5 rounds in the match. And there are 8 byes. 32 highest number minus 24 is the 8 bye in the tournament. Number of team in each quarter. Next topic. If the number of team is less, the team are divided into upper half and lower half. Upper half and lower half. On the other hand, if the number of team is more, team are divided into upper half and lower half, and these half are further divided into 2 parts. For determining the number of team in each quarter, the total number of team is divided by 4. If the remainder remain 0, so 20 teams, 20 teams, total teams is 20, round is a 5 rounds according to example. Total 32 is the highest of power of 2, matches 20 minus 1, 19 matches. So 20 teams, 20 upon 4, remainder is a 0. Remainder is a 0. There will be 4 quarter with the equal number of team. 4 quarter equal number of team. This is a upper half 1 to 10 teams, upper half 11 to 20 teams, lower half in divide the 4 quarters. Quarters 1, 1 to 5, quarter 2, 6 to 10, quarter 3, 11 to 15, quarter 4, 16 to 20. They are the 20 teams. The fixture according to 20 teams. So next, if the remainder remain 1, the first quarter will be comprise one extra team, whereas the 3 quarter will have equal number of teams. If 29 teams, 29 upon 4, remainder is the 1. If the remainder remain 2, then first and third quarter will have one extra team, and second and fourth quarter will be comprise the same number of the team. If the remainder is 3, so first and second and third will have one extra teams. This procedure can be easily understood with the help of following tables. Number of team in each quarter. If 28 team become in knockout tournament, okay, so according to in each quarter the total number of team is divided 4. So 28 upon 4, 7. So 7 team equal divided in the 4 quarter. In a picture, make the 2 half. In first half 2 quarter and second half 2 quarter. Quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. If 28 teams are come in the tournament, so equal divided the 7 teams in a 4 quarters. If 29 teams become in knockout tournament, so if the remainder remain in the 1, 29 upon 4, there are 4 quarter in a picture, so 29 upon 4, 1 remainder. The first quarter will comprise 1 extra teams, okay, according to 29. Where the 3 quarter will have equal number of teams. 3 quarter will have equal number of teams, but first quarter add the 1 team. 7 plus 1, 8 team played in the quarter number 1, and first, second, third, fourth team equal playing in the tournament. If 30 team are come in the tournament, so 30 upon 4, remainder is 2. If the 2 team are extra, okay, according to 30 teams. So according to fixture, the remainder is 2. Then first and third quarter will have one extra teams. First and third quarter will have one extra teams, and second and fourth quarter will comprise the sum number of teams. According to 31 teams are come in a knockout tournament. If three remainder, three remainders, so 3 team are extra. Okay, so first, second and third will have one extra teams, and in a fourth quarter is no extra team, only 7 teams are played in a tournament. This table for easily understood with the help. Okay, 33 teams, so 8 plus 1, because the 1 is remainder, 8 plus 1, 8, second quarter, third quarter and fourth quarter equal teams, and 9 teams play in the first quarter, and 34 team come in tournament, so 2 remainders. So in a first quarter 9 team play, second quarter 8, third quarter 9, fourth quarter 8 team plays. 9 team become, so 3 remainder, 19 upon 4, 3 remainder. So 1 quarter, 2 quarter and 3 quarter played in the 5 teams, and quarter number 4 is 4 to play in this tournament. So this is the number of teams in each quarter. Okay student, today I taught 7 topics of the fixtures. Number 1, fixtures, importance of fixtures, procedure to draw fixtures of knockout, method of preparing fixture in a knockout tournament, number of matches in a knockout tournament, number of round in a knockout tournament, number of teams in each quarter. Thank you. Best of luck. God bless.